There's a reason compact tablets have maintained a dedicated, almost cult-like following in a world increasingly dominated by massive smartphones and oversized Pro slates. When Apple decided to revisit its small form factor, tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike were waiting to see whether the tech giant would deliver an incremental refresh or a complete overhaul of the portable iPad experience. If you have been searching for a tablet that seamlessly bridges the gap between pocket-sized convenience and raw performance, what Apple packed inside this compact powerhouse changes everything you thought you knew about mini tablets. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today we are diving deep into everything surrounding the iPad mini 5, exploring its design language, internal architectural upgrades, real-world capabilities, display tech, camera systems, and whether this specific iteration stands as one of the smartest purchasing decisions you can make in the portable tech landscape. When examining the iPad mini 5, the first thing that strikes you is how deceptive its exterior appearance truly is. At first glance, Apple preserved the classic, battle-tested design aesthetic that longtime users immediately recognize. With its familiar top and bottom bezels, aluminum unibody build, and physical home button integrating Touch ID, the device feels comforting and reassuring in the hand. However, beneath this traditional chassis lies an absolute monster of silicon that completely redefines what a mini tablet can achieve. Measuring a razor-thin 6.1 millimeters and weighing under 300 grams, it slips effortlessly into small bags, jacket pockets, or suit jackets without adding bulk. For professionals on the go, field researchers, pilots, students, and mobile gamers, this ultra-portable footprint represents the absolute pinnacle of functional design engineering. The tactile response of the physical Touch ID sensor remains exceptionally fast and reliable, allowing instantaneous unlocks, secure app purchases, and seamless authentications without forcing you to align your face at specific angles as required by facial recognition systems. The real magic of the iPad mini 5 begins when you turn on its stunning 7.9-inch Retina display. Apple upgraded this screen significantly compared to its predecessors by incorporating full lamination, an anti-reflective coating, wide color P3 gamut support, and True Tone technology. Full lamination eliminates the optical air gap between the glass surface and the underlying digitizer array, making content feel as if it is sitting right on top of the glass. When you write or draw on this panel, there is zero perceptible gap between the tip of your stylus and the digital ink appearing on screen. The anti-reflective coating drops reflections down to an industry-leading 2%, making outdoor reading under direct sunlight or bright office environments vastly more comfortable. Furthermore, True Tone dynamically adjusts the white balance of the display based on the ambient color temperature of your room, reducing eye strain during late-night reading sessions or long document editing marathons. Whether you are reviewing high-resolution RAW photographs, watching HDR movie streams, or reading digital books, the pixel density of 326 pixels per inch guarantees crisp, razor-sharp text, and vibrant, color-accurate imagery. Underneath the hood, the iPad mini 5 features the formidable A12 Bionic chip equipped with a neural engine, representing a massive threefold performance jump over previous generations. This hexacore processor features 2 high-performance cores designed for intensive computational workloads and 4 high-efficiency cores that handle day-to-day background tasks without draining power. Accompanied by a 4-core graphics engine and 3 gigabytes of memory, this device effortlessly handles tasks that would choke competing compact tablets. Complex video editing in multi-track 4K timelines, heavy multi-layered graphic design work, intensive 3D mobile gaming at high frame rates, and split-screen multitasking with side-by-side apps run flawlessly. The integration of Apple's dedicated neural engine accelerates machine learning tasks, enable real-time image processing, advanced photo editing enhancements, intelligent AUD, I/O filtering, and instantaneous augmented reality tracking. For users who feared a smaller tablet meant compromised performance, This internal hardware package proved definitively that size does not limit raw speed. One of the most transformative additions to the iPad mini 5 is full compatibility with the first-generation Apple Pencil. This single feature transformed the compact tablet from a pure media consumption screen into an indispensable digital notebook, sketchbook, and productivity station. The precision tracking, pressure sensitivity, and low latency of the stylus on this laminated 7.9-inch panel mirror the natural feel of pen on paper. Medical students can annotate detailed anatomical diagrams. Business executives can sign digital contracts on the fly. Artists can sketch precise illustrations. And students can take handwritten notes during lectures using powerful software like GoodNotes, Notability, or Procreate. The compact footprint makes holding the tablet in one hand while writing or drawing with the other extremely ergonomic, eliminating the forearm fatigue often experienced when holding larger 10-inch or 12-inch slates for extended periods. From a camera and multimedia perspective, the iPad mini 5 delivers solid, dependable capabilities designed for everyday practicality. On the rear, an 8-megapixel sensor featuring an f/2.4 aperture captures clean photos, high-definition documents, and smooth 1080p video recording. It also excels at scanning physical papers, receipts, and whiteboards directly into cloud storage applications. On the front, Apple upgraded the camera to a 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera with wide color capture and auto image stabilization. This upgrade drastically improves video conferencing clarity on Zoom, Google Meet, and FaceTime, ensuring clear video and crisp audio during remote work meetings or family video calls. Dual microphones work in unison to suppress background ambient noise while isolating your voice, making voice recordings and call audio sound professional and distinct. The bottom-mounted stereo speakers deliver clear separation and surprisingly rich sound output for podcasts, audiobooks, casual movie viewing, and background music playback. Battery efficiency on the iPad mini 5 remains a cornerstone of its overall user experience. Packed with a 19.1 watt-hour lithium polymer battery, Apple maintains its legendary all-day battery rating, delivering up to 10 hours of continuous web surfing over Wi-Fi, movie playback, or reading. The power efficiency of the A12 Bionic chip allows the device to manage background processes intelligently, consuming virtually zero battery drain when idle in standby mode. You can leave the tablet on your nightstand for days, pick it up, and still find plenty of battery percentage remaining. Charging is managed via the standard Lightning port, which supports fast charging when paired with high-wattage power adapters, letting you quickly top up battery levels before heading out on a trip or daily commute. Software optimization plays a critical role in making the iPad mini 5 feel modern and fluid. Running on modern iPadOS updates, the tablet gains desktop-class web browsing capabilities, advanced file management through the Files app, split view and slide-over multitasking options, widget support, and extensive home screen customization. Apple tailored iPadOS to take full advantage of the screen real estate, ensuring fonts, icons, menus, and controls feel natural and readable rather than tiny or cramped. Apps optimized for iPad scale perfectly on the 7.9-inch display, providing desktop-like utility in a device that fits inside a small handbag or cargo pocket. Storage configurations starting from 64 GB up to 256 GB provide ample space for offline video downloads, large document libraries, high-resolution photo catalogs, and demanding mobile games. Comparing the iPad mini 5 to alternative tablet highlights, why it maintains such a dominant position in its class. Most budget compact tablets compromise heavily on processor power, display lamination, color accuracy, and long-term software support. Apple created a device that compromises on virtually nothing regarding core performance. While modern bezels on newer Pro models offer an edge-to-edge aesthetic, many users actively prefer the ergonomic bezels of the iPad mini 5 because they provide a thumb rest without accidentally triggering touch inputs on the active display area. Furthermore, the inclusion of a standard 3.5mm headphone jack remains a huge advantage for audio enthusiasts, commuters, and gamers who prefer zero-latency wired headphones over Bluetooth audio accessories. For mobile gaming enthusiasts, the iPad Mini 5 remains an incredible secret weapon. The size and weight ratio are ideal for holding the tablet with two hands for extended gaming sessions without experiencing wrist strain. Popular titles like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, Asphalt, and Roblox render with high graphical fidelity and stable frame rates. Touch response is crisp and instant, while screen brightness levels ensure great visibility even during intense gaming scenarios. Coupled with controller support for PlayStation and Xbox wireless controllers via Bluetooth, you can easily turn this compact tablet into a portable gaming console anywhere you go. In professional environments, the iPad Mini 5 has secured a unique operational niche. In commercial aviation, pilots regularly mount the tablet in flight cockpits as an electronic flight bag to display real-time navigation charts, weather reports, and flight manuals. In healthcare settings, doctors and nurses utilize its portable form factor to carry patient medical records, update charts, and view diagnostic imagery at the bedside. In retail and service industries, businesses deploy the device as a sleek point-of-sale terminal, digital menu, or inventory management tool. The combination of lightweight durability, long battery life, reliable Touch ID security, and top-tier performance makes it one of the most versatile tools available for industrial and commercial application. When evaluating long-term value and durability, Apple's track record of software updates gives the iPad Mini 5 a massive advantage over competitors. Years after its initial release, the device continues to receive major iPadOS updates, security patches, and feature additions without performance degradation. Apple's tight integration between hardware architecture and operating system code ensures that memory management, app launch speeds, and system responsiveness remain buttery smooth. Resale value for well-maintained iPad mini units also remains remarkably high compared to competitor slates, making it a sound long-term technology investment for tech-conscious consumers. The connectivity options on the iPad Mini 5 ensure you remain connected wherever your schedule takes you. Featuring dual-band Wi-Fi with MIMO support, wireless downloads and video streaming remain fast and stable. For users who travel frequently or work in remote locations without reliable public Wi-Fi, cellular models offer gigabit-class LTE connectivity and eSIM integration, allowing you to activate international data plans on the fly without swapping physical SIM cards. GPS and GLONASS location hardware built into cellular models provides pinpoint positioning accuracy for navigation apps, mapping software, and outdoor tracking tools.